Ever wondered why some AI tools work with Python 3.10, while others only run on Python 3.11 or even Python 3.12? Installing one version can sometimes break another. In this video, I'll explain what Python actually is, why it's one of the most important programming languages in the world, and why many AI, machine learning, automation, and development tools require different Python versions. Then I'll show you how to install multiple Python versions on the same Windows PC without conflicts, manage them easily, and switch between them whenever you need. So if you're tired of version errors and broken environments, this tutorial is for you. Let's begin by installing Python on your computer. Before installing Python, one thing you need to know: every Python series got different versions, like Python 3.10.8, Python 3.10.7, Python 3.10.11. You can only have one Python of one series installed. Most of softwares use Python 3.10.11, so go to main page of it and download Python 3.10.11 Windows Installer 64-bit. After downloaded, double-click on Installer. Most important thing is clicking on Add Python to Path. If you don't do that, Python won't work. Use Install Now option to install. That's it, your Python 3.10.11 is installed. Same way, install 3.11.0. You can have only one model of 3.11 series installed. Mostly use is 3.11.0. Again, download its Windows 64 installer. Again, before installing, click on Add Python to Path. Your Python 3.11.0 installed too. Same way, install Python 3.12.0. Only one version of 3.12 series. Download its Windows 64 installer. Before installing, again, click on Add Python to Path. Same way, you can install as many Pythons you want, but one of on Python series. To check, open command window. Type where Python. All installed version will be in list. Now you can use them in Venv making environments. If this tutorial saved you time, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more AI and programming tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.